Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your WhatsApp last seen status from a specific contact. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. For privacy reasons, sometimes you want to hide your last seen status from a specific contact, but not all. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your WhatsApp application. Now tap on Settings at the bottom right. Then tap on Accounts. Next, tap on Privacy. Then tap on Last Seen. By default, everyone can see your last seen status. To limit this to a specific person, tap on My Contacts Accept. Now, from your contact list, select a contact where you don't want to show your last seen. The option will hide your last seen status from everyone and that specific contact you specify. People in your contacts will be able to see your last seen. And that is how to hide your WhatsApp last seen status from a specific contact. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.